How you doing? This is I'm Carlito, and I'm sharpening the blade of my lawnmower using Dremel instead of the grinder. The grinder will eat more blades and harder to balance the blade. This one I don't have to remove the blade, so I can save more time. So I can put that to my business to make more money, right? Good. What I do, I just do like about 30 times on both sides, so to balance it. Well, it depends on how bad your blade is. So this is the way that I do it. That's it. This is Dremel. I only did about 20 times here on both sides because the blade's still pretty good. Tomorrow is gonna start lawn mowing for my business. So usually about the first week of the month of April. All right, looks good, right? Look how good it is.